Traditional Polish foods. Traditional Polish cuisine is known for its hearty and flavorful dishes that have been passed down through generations. It reflects Poland's rich history, cultural influences, and the use of simple, wholesome ingredients. Here are some popular traditional Polish foods. Pierogi. Pierogi are dumplings made from unleavened dough, usually filled with various savory or sweet fillings. Common fillings include potatoes and cheese, pierogi ruski, meat, mushrooms, and fruits like blueberries or strawberries, sweet pierogi. Pierogi are one of Poland's most iconic and beloved dishes. These dumplings are made from a simple unleavened dough that is filled with a variety of ingredients, both savory and sweet. Pierogi dough is typically made from flour, water, and a pinch of salt. Some recipes may include eggs or sour cream to add richness and tenderness to the dough. The dough is rolled out into a thin sheet and cut into circles or squares, which are then filled and folded to create the dumplings. Pierogi are a versatile dish and are enjoyed throughout the year in Poland, but they are particularly popular during holidays and special occasions. They can be customized to suit different tastes, making them a favorite comfort food for many. Bigos. Bigos, often referred to as hunter's stew, is a traditional Polish dish known for its rich and hearty flavor. It is typically made with sauerkraut, fermented cabbage, and fresh cabbage, as well as a variety of meats, usually pork, beef, and sausage. The dish is seasoned with spices like caraway seeds and often includes ingredients like mushrooms, onions, and sometimes dried plums for a touch of sweetness. The preparation of bigos involves slow cooking and simmering over an extended period, which allows the flavors to meld together. It is a popular dish in Poland, especially during special occasions and holidays like Christmas and New Year's Eve. Bigos is often served with crusty bread or potatoes and is known for being even better when reheated, which is why it's sometimes called the second-day dish. Bigos has a long history in Polish cuisine and is considered a symbol of traditional Polish cooking. There are many regional variations of bigos, and families often have their own cherished recipes that have been passed down through generations. It's a dish that celebrates the hearty and warming qualities of Polish food. Kielbasa. Kielbasa is the Polish word for sausage, and it refers to a wide variety of sausage types in Polish cuisine. Polish kielbasa is well known for its rich and flavorful taste, and it's a significant part of Polish culinary culture. There are numerous types of kielbasa, each with its own unique ingredients and preparation methods. Polish sausages, or kielbasa, come in various styles and flavors. The most famous is the smoked and cured kielbasa, which can be eaten as a snack or used in various dishes. Kielbasa is a versatile ingredient in Polish cuisine and is used in a variety of dishes, including soups, stews, sandwiches, and grilled preparations. It's an integral part of Polish culture and is often enjoyed at family gatherings, picnics, and holidays. Bashk. Bashk, also known as borscht or borscht, is a traditional Eastern European soup that has deep roots in Polish, Ukrainian, Russian, and other Slavic cuisines. It is characterized by its vivid red color and can be served both hot and cold. There are various regional and cultural variations of barszcz, but the most well-known version in Poland is the clear beet soup, often referred to as barszcz czerwony. Barszcz is a beet soup that can be served hot or cold. It's often accompanied by sour cream and served with juszka, small mushroom-filled dumplings, during Christmas Eve dinner. Barszcz is not only delicious but also nutritious, thanks to the vitamins and antioxidants found in beets. It's a beloved dish in Poland, especially during holidays like Christmas and Easter, but it's enjoyed year-round as well. Different regions and families may have their unique variations, so you might come across slightly different recipes and variations of barszcz. Golapki. Golapki, pronounced Gołąbki, is a traditional Polish dish that consists of cabbage leaves stuffed with a mixture of ground meat and rice or barley, often cooked in a tomato sauce. The name, Golapki, means little pigeons, in Polish, and the dish gets its name from the shape of the stuffed cabbage leaves, which resemble little bundles or parcels. Golapki are a comforting and hearty dish that is often enjoyed in Poland and among Polish communities around the world. They are commonly served at family gatherings, holidays, and special occasions. Variations of golapki can be found in other Eastern European cuisines, each with its own unique twists and flavors. Plaki ziemniaczane. Plaki ziemniaczane, often simply called plaki, are traditional Polish potato pancakes. They are a popular and beloved dish in Poland, often served as a main course or side dish. Plakia are made from grated potatoes mixed with other ingredients and then pan-fried until they are crispy and golden brown. They can be enjoyed plain or with various toppings or sauces. Serve the potato pancakes hot, with your choice of toppings. Common toppings include sour cream, applesauce, or a dollop of yogurt. Plaki zimnia chan are a versatile dish and can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They are also a popular snack in Poland and can be found at food stalls and restaurants. The crispy texture and savory flavor make them a favorite comfort food among many Poles. Żurek. Zurich, often called Zurich z biala Kielbasa, is a traditional Polish soup known for its distinctive sour flavor. This sourness comes from the use of fermented rye flour or sourdough starter, which is a key ingredient in the soup. Żurek is a popular dish in Poland and is often associated with Easter, although it is enjoyed throughout the year. Żurek has a tangy and unique flavor due to the fermented rye flour, which sets it apart from other Polish soups. It's a comforting and hearty dish, and its popularity extends beyond Poland's borders, making it a beloved dish among those who appreciate its sour and savory taste. Kotlet Chaboy. Kotlet Chaboy is a popular and beloved Polish dish, similar to a breaded pork cutlet. It is a classic comfort food in Poland and is often served as a main course, typically accompanied by mashed potatoes, vegetables, and sometimes a rich gravy or sauce. The name, Chaboy, comes from the Polish word, schab, which means pork loin. Kotlet Chaboy is traditionally served hot, often with lemon wedges for squeezing over the top. It pairs well with mashed potatoes, sautéed vegetables, and a variety of sauces or gravies. Kotlet Chaboy is a simple yet satisfying dish that is a staple in Polish cuisine. It's a favorite among both adults and children and is commonly enjoyed at family dinners and celebrations. Its crispy breaded exterior and tender pork interior make it a delicious and comforting meal. Makovitz. Makovitz is a traditional Polish dessert, specifically a poppy seed roll or cake. It's often served during holidays and special occasions, including Christmas and Easter. This sweet treat is made with a sweet yeast dough filled with a poppy seed and nut mixture, sometimes with the addition of dried fruits or honey for extra flavor. The name, Makovitz, comes from the Polish word, mak, which means poppy seed. Makovitz is often dusted with powdered sugar before serving and is enjoyed with a cup of tea or coffee. It's a delicious and indulgent dessert that's deeply rooted in Polish culinary traditions. Cernic. Cernic is a classic Polish cheesecake that has a rich and creamy texture. It's a beloved dessert in Poland and is often served on various occasions, including holidays and family gatherings. Polish Cernic is typically baked, and there are many variations, but the most common type is made with farmer's cheese, twaróg. Serve chilled, optionally dusted with powdered sugar or topped with fresh berries or fruit preserves. Polish Cernic is known for its creamy, slightly tangy flavor, and it's a delightful dessert that's enjoyed by people of all ages. Its simplicity and versatility make it a favorite among Polish households. Nalesniki. Nalesniki, pronounced na-lehshnaki, are thin Polish pancakes that are somewhat similar to crepes. They are a versatile dish and can be filled with both sweet and savory fillings, making them suitable for breakfast, dessert, or even a main course. Nalesniki are a popular comfort food in Poland and can be customized to suit various tastes. For savory nalesniki, you can fill them with sautéed mushrooms, spinach and feta cheese, ham and cheese, or any other savory filling of your choice. Optionally, you can garnish sweet nalesniki with powdered sugar, fresh berries, or a drizzle of honey. Savory nalesniki can be served as is or with a dollop of sour cream or yogurt. Nalesniki are a delicious and versatile dish that can be customized to suit your preferences. They are a delightful addition to any meal, and their thin and delicate texture makes them a favorite among both children and adults in Poland. Pierniki. Pierniki are traditional Polish gingerbread cookies or cake squares known for their rich, spiced flavor and sweet aroma. They are a popular treat in Poland, especially during the Christmas season, and they often come in various shapes and sizes, including hearts, stars, and rectangles. Pierniki can be decorated with icing or sugar glaze, making them both visually appealing and delicious. Polish pierniki are a delightful treat enjoyed during festive occasions, especially around Christmas. Their warm and spicy flavors make them a comforting and beloved dessert in Poland and among those who appreciate traditional gingerbread treats. These are just a few examples of traditional Polish foods, and there are many regional variations and specialties across the country. Polish cuisine emphasizes the use of fresh, seasonal ingredients, and many traditional dishes have been enjoyed for generations. It's known for its rich and comforting flavors, making it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.